Registering with 3ctools.com is easy. Click on the Sign Up button and select an email address and a password you want to use as your login information. Always use a strong and unique password. Your browser may auto-suggest a password you can choose. Then, click on Register. Next, a verification link will be sent to your email address. Just make sure it did not end up in the spam folder. Once the email had arrived, click on the link and press the Login button. We are almost done. Now you have a unique account with 3C Tools, but you still need to connect your 3Commas account. Follow the link to 3Commas' API administration page, and create a new API, allowing 3C Tools to read your bot's data. Clicking on this link takes you directly to 3Commas. Click on New API Access Token button. Give it any name. Then, by clicking on the checkbox for Bots Read, and Accounts Read, and the Create button, you will establish the connection between these two websites. The final step here is to copy both, your API key and your secret key, back into 3C Tools website. Save these API keys. Update your time zone, if necessary, and get ready to be amazed.